Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious breakfast casserole. So let's get started. I've got 1 cup of heavy cream that I'm going to add to 4 eggs. To that I'm going to add a pinch of salt and give it a whisk. Now I'm going to lightly spray my baking sheet with a little bit of pan spray, and then I have my Crescent cheese that I'm just going to break up into little pieces and cover the bottom. I've got 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese that I'm going to sprinkle over the base as well. And you can use any kind of cheese you like, but I like the Parmesan and cheddar. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my custard all over the base. You want to make sure that you pour that very evenly and every crevice gets a little bit of the egg custard. And one thing I really like about this casserole is you can add extra things like peppers, onions, seasonings, anything you want to do is very customizable. Now I've got some Parmesan cheese. This is a half a cup of Parmesan cheese that I'm just going to sprinkle over the top. And then I've got my bacon bits that I've partially cooked already, and these are about 5 strips of bacon that I partially cooked and cut up, and you can add more or less if you like. I saved about 3 crescent rolls to do the topping. I want to make sure that you can see a little bit of the crescent rolls on top, so I'm just going to rip those apart just like we did the ones before and sprinkle that over top. Now I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. My casserole is out of the oven and it looks amazing. I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.